Excited? Remove the foam inserts. Where should I just throw it here?
Yeah.
Ooh, so many sausages. Okay, next thing is, and according to them, these are the handles to pull out the whole thing, but I will need my Asaba to help me. Because with my bag, I don't want to lift 18 kilograms. You see, that's how you lift it out. This is the material that is used for 3D printing. Now I found out only later that when you buy the printer, you get free spoil of filament with the printer. I didn't know that. So now I have around 7 of them. Filament is the raw material that is used by the 3D printer. It will melt this filament and form out of it the device that I want to print. But this is for later. And the nice thing is they have video unpacking. So we are here now, we have it on the table. Just rip it off and remove every sticker. And get your quick start guide. Let's start with that. Let's see, he just ripped it off. How did he rip it off? It's really easy. Okay. It actually looks smaller than my old one. Okay. This is an important one. Then it's the quick start guide. Now, this one is the same way like the main, I think. Should open here. To be careful, this is glass. I don't think so, because this is intentionally made to, so you can open it.
Oh, wow, it's like a small refrigerator.
Yeah, only it's getting hot inside. I think this one is only for transportation, because it's glued to that one. I think it's just a protection for the glass.
What is it?
It's like a double-sided tape.
Ah, okay.
But it's already glued to this one, so it cannot be really used for anything else. And he didn't show it in the video.
Okay, so
I did this one already. Actually, this looks easier than mine. Okay, now we go to the inside. Get out all your stuff. So there is a lot of space inside where the printer normally works, and they filled up everything inside with the other stuff that belongs to the printer. This is the accessories. This is the material feeder. Actually, this one is nearly as expensive as the printer. So here you can put up to 4 different materials and select which one you want to use to print your 3D thing. Okay, next one. Where do I put this now? My office is too small. There's more stuff. Oh, they didn't have this one in there. This is already advanced. I'm not there yet. There are more screws. I think that's that. I went over it. So this is basically like the remote control, but it's mounted to the printer. It is not as easy to push in than in the video. Okay. Done. Undo the 3 screws on the bottom. Everything is static. Actually, it is much easier than when I set up the first printer. Because the first printer was really, it was like metal sticks, and you had to find out which metal stick belongs to where and screw them together. Here it's really only set up. And one thing, this is expensive, but I actually like it because the material has to be dry or it has a problem with printing. They have here a technology for keeping the materials dry. They use this gel stuff to keep the inside here dry. And you have to replace this every now and then.
So you have to keep that one.
There is nothing to keep. It's just a bag that will...
Really? Should you put it there?
Yeah.
Think it's just for temporary.
No. This is for permanent use. These will always suck the humidity out of this enclosed. You see here, it's a gasket inside. So while this is closed, this is a humidity chamber. This one will change its color when it's no longer really working, when the balls or whatever is inside is full with water. And they found a method to recycle them in a microwave. I think I rather buy new bugs.
I will not put it in our microwave.
That was one point of the discussion. Is it safe to put it where you cook your
Food.
food?
Oops. Don't break it like what you did to the gaming PC.
The gaming PC was shit. It never worked. The interesting thing is the print size itself is the same. I think it's just smaller because we had this bigger enclosure, which was
you're
not
right.
originally for the same printer.
Oh. And your first 3D printer looks like more...
Do it yourself. The old one is, it's just a printer without any protection around. So I got another cheap enclosure for it. Now this model here has the enclosure already included. This is much better for the printing.
Oh, man.
But if you want to go cheaper, Bambu Lab also has these cheap versions.
When you say cheap version, what feature do they have?
Well, they don't support this multi-material feeder. They are less precise. They are slower in printing. I'm not sure which other features are missing. This one is more like in the middle of performance. And they have another one, the P1S. That is around 150,000 pesos.
And this one costs...
50. Together with this.
Which is good enough,
The
right?
printer only is just 35. Something like 30,000, and this one is 20,000. It's really advanced technology because it selects by itself which color you use to print. And because you have the 4 colors, you can actually program it to make multicolor enclosures.
That's nice.
Yes.
What about the old one? One color only?
One color only. Okay, now I most likely will need your help because there is some stuff to be done on the rear.
So far, so good. This is how it looks like now. And if you can see at the back, he had already plugged everything correctly and the power switch is on. And now he's trying to read. Dito mayroon siyang instruction.
It's not.
So the filament, which is the printing material, is now connected.
Yeah, and there was a trick that was not shown in the video, nor is it shown in the manual instruction. There is actually, they say, put in the filament here through this hole. If you just put it in, there's no reaction. You have actually to lift it and then put the filament in. And then they have the Bambu Lab application. For example, you can see here on the top, updating firmware 66%.
Oh.
So this is always connected to the printer. And it's connected to the Bambu Lab account, yes.
And there's a camera inside, and this is what's going on inside the printer.
Yeah, not much right now. The plate where your print will stay on, it has to be hot already, usually 60 degrees. So right now it says I'm preheating the print bed. Here, heat bed, preheating, 2% done.
So in case you're wondering what kind of end product ang ginagawa ng asawa ko. Example, this is one thing. This casing is made out of a 3D printer. You see? His first printer requires a lot of work to do before you can finally set the printer to print out whatever you want to print. Unlike today, with this new modern 3D printer, you can even choose design on the website. there are people sharing what they've done, and then all you have to do is just download whatever design that you like. You just connect it to your account or whatever, and then you can have it printed out. So which means you don't even have to have intensive technical knowledge on how to use a 3D printer to use this kind of printer. Is it printing real fast?
Yeah, that is 5 times the speed I had my old printer here. Look on this.
Wala,
So
nagsishake yung table.
I need really a different table for that. I never saw a printer that fast.
Is it a good thing?
It's a good thing. Because even for the small enclosure that Teresa showed, it takes 4 to 5 hours to print 1/2 of it. So a whole day for both parts. This one, I think it can do the same in 3 hours.
Oh.
Woo! Excited? But I really have to do something here. This is not stable. You can see the table how it moves. It's not good.